It's preparation. We must live it correctly.
Look at the park. Look at where they want us to park.
Yeah, supervisor.
Imagine if you go direct us to the park. Then. Get the place properly attired. You understand? Look for me now. Look for me. Look for your clean. Look for me clean. Look for your shoe. Make it up.
Then the taxi man the local.
You understand? No, tell me. We are going to park up in this passenger. Come here.
How much time you want passenger come back? How much time you want passenger come back?
Watch it, can't get up. No, look at that now. And tell me now, if one great show or rain should come, right? When a number of passengers and operators in here, where are we going to shelter? Huh? Where are we going to shelter? This is not. This doesn't ready. You understand? This is tasteful.
Even if anyone will come in,
so what's your name? What's your name and which route you work?
Well, my name is Rick, Upsetter bus driver. See, I am from the White House route. You understand? But this cannot work. This is disgusting. You understand? I don't have a problem coming
in the park. We don't have a problem using the park.
We don't have a problem using the park. You understand? But just deal with the thing. Make it look like say, a smaddy are coming here. We are no animal. You understand?
So do you think realistically everyone can hold in the park?
No. That's a no.
At least we'll try and use it.
Come through, pay our ticket, that the revenue can develop the park.
We don't have no representative.
No representative.
You understand? Why are we paying association fee? They should be our vice. They are not voicing for us.